everyone, welcome to Females Desserts View channel. So a few weeks back I catered this simple homemade parfait, fruit nut parfait. I call it my fruity parfait at a dessert catering, and I was actually very surprised at how much acceptance it got from guests. So I just thought to share, simple ingredients and everything. So basically you don't even have to spend too much to achieve this. All right, you need a good sweetened yogurt. If you're doing this for like a fit farm or those that don't want to take sugar, just substitute this for unsweetened yogurt, maybe Greek yogurt or anything. That's just fine. Okay, and then you use fresh fruits, just the freshly diced fresh fruits, not the frozen one but the fresh one, so that at least you can control the amount of calories and you know that it's just fresh and original. Okay, and then you need some toasted granolas and a combination of nuts and granola. So here we have a combination of unsweetened granola, sweetened coconut, so there's just like a perfect blend. And then I have strawberry, which is optional, that I'm going to be using to garnish the cup when I'm done. Alright, so, and of course we have the glass that we're going to be using. This is a plastic disposable glass, but yeah, it has a kind of attractive appeal. That's what I use at my events. So the first thing that goes into the cup is just about 5 minutes. For me, I make this at my event, so to tell you how quick it is done. So I just get my yogurt. Alright, this is sweetened yogurt. So you just make sure you have your hands very steady. Just pour it almost quarter way up. All right, see, like that. Afterward, you just take about 2 spoons. Let me put it down. About 2 spoons of your choice of fruit. Now, choice of fruit, you can use just about any kind of fruit, but for the purpose of this video, I have just pineapple, watermelon, and some strawberries inside my glass. You can use grapes, kiwi, whatever it is that you want to use. It's just basically a yogurt and fruit parfait that's garnished with some bits of nuts to make it look nicer. See what it looks like, and then you go ahead to, I think I want to fill in more. So it's always better to fill it up to the brim, so that when you are pouring in your second batch of yogurt, it wouldn't be too much as to ruin the effect this is supposed to have. So after doing this, I just pour a little over it again. Okay, if I notice that it's not looking well balanced, I can just press it in a bit. See that? What we have, and then take just about 1 spoon of this. See, I told you, very quick to make, very delicious, and actually very economical. See, I make this, and very fast too. So after doing that, we are technically ready. But yeah, for some extra spice, you can just get any fruit of your choice, preferably strawberry because it has a popping color, and then you can just use it to garnish something like this, right? Yeah, so garnishing, yeah, something like that. So after this, you don't need to freeze it or anything. We're good to go. So you can just serve this right away on the tray. Put some spoon, any spoon, it can be something nicer, just put it in and serve it to your guests. Trust me, they will love it. All right, so I hope that this quick video was impactful for you again, and I hope you learned something new that you can use to wow your guests at your next event.